Absolutely. Many writers use ChatGPT to streamline their workflow and increase output, focusing on high-demand niches. ChatGPT can help with freelance writing, copywriting, content creation, digital products, and ghostwriting. Find clients using platforms like Upwork. Leverage ChatGPT to speed up research and build a portfolio. Yes, ChatGPT generates persuasive headlines and crafts compelling sales copy, a great tool for copywriting. Blogging can be lucrative. Use SEO content, affiliate marketing, and ad revenue to monetize your blog. Popular niches for writing include personal finance, health, technology, lifestyle, and business. To create an ebook, choose a profitable topic and use ChatGPT for drafting and structuring content. ChatGPT assists with ghostwriting by generating ideas, outlining content, and drafting sections. To find premium clients, niche down, showcase expertise, network, and deliver quality work. Scale your writing income by expanding services, batching work, raising rates, and creating passive income. Tools like Grammarly, Canva, and WordPress complement ChatGPT, enhancing your writing efficiency. Yes, beginners can start small on Fiverr or Upwork. Consistent use of ChatGPT can lead to $5,000 per month. Risks include over-reliance on AI and potential plagiarism. Always review and refine outputs for quality. ChatGPT boosts productivity and income, offering endless opportunities for writing blog posts, ebooks, or ad copy.